Hey everybody, hope you guys had a wonderful Thanksgiving. Welcome back to the CJ Nerf channel. Up today, it's the new Deadpool pistols. That's right, the Nerf rival Kronos XVIII-500 review and firing test. For the normal price of $59.99, here's what you're going to get with your Nerf rival Kronos dual pack. You're going to get the two pistols, 5 red rival rounds for each blaster, and a place to store your fresh tacos, and this awesome collector's box. Yes! Alright everybody, my final opinion of the Kronos pistols, absolutely fantastic. Not really crazy about the $59 price tag, but it is what it is. We gotta pay what we gotta pay, I guess. Keep in mind, this is being filmed on Cyber Monday 2017. So if you want to pick these up for $49.99, go ahead and jump over to GameStop's website right now. You'll probably get yourself a pair before the Cyber Monday ends and they go back up. So tell me what you think about them up on the new rival wall. I think they look great. Let me know, drop a comment. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. There's really nothing left to say. So thanks for watching. See you on the next vid. I'm out.